Hello and welcome back to Colors of Crafts ASMR. We're going to do a quick unboxing for you. I used in some rewards points that I had piled up from when I was living in Oak Park, Illinois, and so I decided to spend them on some fiber from Die Hard Yarns, because like I said, I used to live there and no, I don't, and I didn't want them to go to waste. So I don't actually know what fiber is in here, but I'm looking forward to it. Oh, it just tells me there's 6 ounces of spinning fiber in here. Good to know. Oh, yay! I told her I'd liked pastel and bright colors, and she came through. Awesome. This, she said that it is not labeled, but it feels like either merino or Corriedale. I guess probably Corriedale, but because it's not as soft as merino usually is. But then I know that that they inherited it from the previous owners, so it's been looking around for a while, but I'm very happy with what she picked out for me. So thanks so much, Chastity. And I will definitely be able to put it to some good use. So, thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Tonight I will be doing a spinning video, so stick around for that. And both this video and the video I post tonight will count towards one of the 31 videos I'm trying to post for the month of March. So if you're wanting to get in on the yarn giveaway, make sure you guys are commenting on the videos. So take care, and I will see you again soon. Bye!